The competition between the US and China to be the world's foreign trade supremos tightened in recent years, with the two titans now neck and neck. The latest figures indeed show that Washington faces a worthy trading rival for the first time since the Second World War. Ganesh Chikan for RT looks at how America's early education system might affect its leading status.
The US is still home to amazing innovations in technology, but will it be able to maintain its edge? Experts are looking to schools for the answer to that question. Internationally, 15-year-olds in the US are ranked 25th among peers from 34 countries in math, while China tops the chart. Harvard published a study titled "Globally Challenged, Are U.S. Students Ready to Compete?" It looks at how the results in math at school can affect nations' economic development. They estimated that the results students in the U.S. show today can cost the country $75 trillion over the next 80 years. $75 trillion. I spoke with Professor Eric Hanushek from Stanford University, one of the authors of this study, a leader in economic analysis of educational issues. Here's what he said.
This is a tremendous impact. You can measure it in terms of GDP, and it would, in present value terms, be over 5 times the current GDP of the United States if we could improve our schools over the next 2 decades.
I asked Professor Hanushek, what's the main reason behind the poor results in math at U.S. schools? Is it that the world's wealthiest nation doesn't spend enough on education? He says money is not the reason.
This looks like it's largely an issue about the quality of the teachers in the classroom. Now, there's some issues about the curriculum and what's taught in the textbooks and so forth, but what we found is that the biggest influence on student achievement in our schools is the teacher in the classroom.
China now doubles down on science and technology at schools, although technological advancement there varies from region to region. But the trend is there, and it's strong. Judging by the initiatives put forward by President Obama in his State of the Union speech, Washington recognizes the urgency.
We'll reward schools that develop new partnerships with colleges and employers and create classes that focus on science, technology, engineering, and math. The skills today's employers are looking for to fill the jobs that are there right now and will be there in the future.
For decades, the U.S. has been a magnet for scientific genius from all over the world. Immigrants helped start prominent American tech companies like Google, Yahoo, Intel, and Instagram. The U.S. can still count on a steady inflow of talents from around the globe, no doubt about that. But experts say it does not alleviate the urgency of growing talents at home, considering how much poor math results can cost the country in the future. In Washington, I'm Ganesh Chikan.